Okay, here's a quick video on how to use Notability, especially with the iPad carts for social studies. When you open the Notability app, some of the things that people are running into that they're having problems with is when a student exports a note to their Google Drive, it may be sending it to the incorrect student because of the person who was previously logged into Google Drive. So we're going to go through that. We're also going to go through setting up subjects and how to lock the subject so that students who create the subject can access that. So to start with, what you'll do when you open the Notability app is click on the gear on the bottom of the screen, and you'll have to click Log In to Google Drive. Students will then type in their apps account. And then next that you want to accept. Now I'm logged in. As you can see that it says Google Drive logout, so I'm logged in to Google at this point. So next what we want to do is try and organize your notes. So in order to do that is each student would create a subject. So they click on the plus sign at the top of the screen. They then choose create a subject, and they would want to call their subject possibly their last name, first name, and maybe if you chose hour or whatnot. So that's their subject. Next, what you want to do is be able to lock the subject so that other students cannot get into that. So you click on the edit button up at the top. You'll have a gear appear on the left hand side. Click on that gear, and then I'm going to click on where it says password, and I'm going to set up a password for that folder or that subject. And then I say set my password. And then I'm going to click on close. That folder is then, click on done, I'm no longer editing it. You can see that there's a padlock next to that folder with my last name and first name. I can always go in and change the password just where we created the password, but now it's password protected so that other students can no longer get to that. Now if I want to export a document, let's say I want to go into one of my subjects and I'm going to export this note. I open up the notes, I click on the share button on the bottom, and I can simply export it to Google Drive. I could also email it to the teacher. I have a number of options. But because we're logged in as the correct student, it will go to the correct destination. Remember at the end of the hour, when your students are done using Notability, again to go to the gear symbol at the bottom and to go to Google Drive and quickly log out, and you'll be logged out of Google Drive, and then the next student will have to log themselves in. Then we won't be sending the wrong documents to the wrong people. That should be it. A little bit on Notability.